Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 BMW G650GS. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 25,321 miles and does not pass New York State inspection. To pass New York State inspection, this bike will need passenger footrests. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the kickstand foot extension is broken off, the hazard switch is inoperable, and the ABS switch is also inoperable. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, scratches and blemishes on both sides of the handlebar ends, scratches on the rear fender plastics, scratches on the tail plastics. This bike has a toolkit and one key. It comes equipped with ABS and heated grips. It's been upgraded with a GV windscreen. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.